And then we will give some more. Whoa, to here. Oh, you're waiting for this? Ah, see that? You will eat this one for your snacks early this morning. See? And they are actually now very pregnant. Many of the goats are already very pregnant, and we expect to have more babies. I don't know the whole duration of pregnancy for these goats, but I believe it's more than 4 months. It's like 5 months. So we have to be patient in waiting for the babies to come out from the tummy. What about you, Mama? The oldest goat that we had here, and that's also very pregnant. And the youngest goat, except Anna, is right here. Wow, wow, wow. Just pretty wow. Early mornings breakfast.